Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, English in Daily Life. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very important, talking about health.
Yes, we all talk about health every day. For example, when we feel sick, when we visit a doctor, or when we talk about exercise.
Don't worry, we will use simple English. Very easy, step by step.
Exactly. You can listen, repeat, and practice with us.
And hey, if you like learning English this way, don't forget to follow and share this podcast.
All right, let's start learning.
Part 1. Basic health phrases. Okay, Stephanie, let's start with a simple sentence. I feel sick.
Good one. Repeat after us. I feel sick.
Again, I feel sick.
Great job. This sentence means you are not feeling well.
Here's another one. I have a headache.
Repeat. I have a headache.
Example, I have a headache. I need rest.
Nice and simple. Let's try one more. I have a cold.
Repeat, I have a cold. Example, I have a cold. I will drink warm water. Good job. You're doing great. Part 2. Talking about symptoms.
Now, let's talk about symptoms. Symptoms are how your body feels.
Yes, for example, I have a fever.
Repeat. I have a fever.
Another one, I feel tired.
Repeat. I feel tired.
Example, I feel tired. I need sleep.
Very good. One more. My throat hurts.
Repeat, my throat hurts. Example, my throat hurts. I will drink tea. Nice, you're learning real English. Part 3, visiting the doctor.
Now imagine you go to a doctor.
Yes, the doctor may ask, what's wrong?
Repeat. What's wrong?
You can answer, I feel sick, or I have a headache.
Another question. How long have you felt this?
Repeat, how long have you felt this? Example answer, for 2 days. Good, let's make a short dialogue.
I'll be the doctor.
And I'm the patient.
Hello, what's wrong?
I feel sick.
What do you feel?
I have a headache.
How long?
For 2 days.
Okay, take rest and drink water.
Thank you, doctor.
Now you try. Repeat the dialogue later.
Practice is very important. Part 4. Healthy habits.
Now let's talk about staying healthy.
Yes, here is a simple sentence. I eat healthy food.
Repeat. I eat healthy food.
Example, I eat fruits and vegetables.
Good. Another one. I exercise every day.
Repeat, I exercise every day. Example, I walk in the morning. Nice. One more. I drink water.
Repeat. I drink water.
Example, I drink water every day.
Simple habits, strong body.
Part 5. Listen, discuss, listen again. Now, let's practice together.
First, just listen.
I feel tired. I have a headache.
I drink water. I take rest.
Now, let's discuss.
What did Ronald say?
Yes, I feel tired.
And what did Stephanie say?
I drink water.
Now listen again.
I feel tired. I have a headache.
I drink water. I take rest.
Great job. Repetition helps you learn faster.
Part 6. Daily Health Conversations. All right, let's continue. Now we will talk about daily health conversations.
Yes, these are simple conversations you can use every day.
Listen first. How are you today?
I am not feeling well.
Oh no, what happened?
I have a cold. Now let's learn step by step.
First sentence. How are you today?
Repeat. How are you today?
This is a very common question.
You can answer, I am fine, or I am not feeling well.
Repeat. I am not feeling well.
Good job.
Next sentence. What happened?
Repeat. What happened?
This means, what is the problem?
Answer example, I have a cold.
Repeat. I have a cold.
Now listen again.
How are you today?
I am not feeling well.
What happened?
I have a cold.
Great. Now you try speaking. Part 7. Talking about medicine.
Now let's talk about medicine.
Yes, this is very useful.
First sentence, I need medicine.
Repeat. I need medicine.
Example, I need medicine for my cold.
Next, take this medicine.
Repeat. Take this medicine.
Example, take this medicine 2 times a day.
Another important sentence. After food.
Repeat, after food.
Example, take this medicine after food.
Now let's do a small dialogue.
Do you need medicine?
Yes, I need medicine.
Take this medicine.
How many times?
2 times a day.
Before or after food?
After food.
Very good. Practice this again. Part 8. Talking about rest and care.
Now let's talk about rest.
Yes, rest is very important.
Sentence, I need rest.
Repeat. I need rest.
Example, I feel tired. I need rest.
Next. Go to bed early.
Repeat. Go to bed early.
Example. Go to bed early tonight.
Another one. Drink warm water.
Repeat. Drink warm water.
Example, drink warm water for your throat.
Now listen to a short talk.
You look tired.
Yes, I feel tired.
You should rest.
Okay, I will go to bed early.
And drink warm water.
Thank you.
Now repeat it later for practice.
Part 9. Talking about exercise. Now let's talk about exercise.
Exercise keeps us healthy.
Sentence. I go for a walk.
Repeat. I go for a walk.
Example. I go for a walk every day. Next. I do exercise.
Repeat. I do exercise.
Example. I do exercise in the morning. Another one. I feel good.
Repeat. I feel good.
Example. After exercise, I feel good.
Let's do a dialogue.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
What do you do?
I go for a walk.
When?
In the morning.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Nice. Very natural conversation. Part 10. Listen, speak practice.
Now it's practice time.
First, listen.
I feel sick. I need rest.
Take medicine and drink water.
Now speak with us.
I feel sick. I need rest. Take medicine. Drink water. Again, a little faster. I feel sick. I need rest. Take medicine. Drink water.
Great job. You are improving.
Part 9. Real life situation practice. Now imagine a real situation.
You are talking to your friend.
Hey, how are you?
I am not feeling well.
What happened?
I have a fever.
Did you take medicine?
Yes, I did.
Good. Take rest.
Yes, I will.
This is real English.
You can use this in daily life.
Part 12. Daily Health Review Conversation. All right, let's continue with more practice.
Yes, now we will use all the sentences we learned.
Listen carefully first. Hi, Stephanie. How are you today?
Hi, Ronald. I am not feeling well.
Oh no, what happened?
I have a headache and I feel tired.
Did you take medicine?
Yes, I took medicine.
Good. Did you rest?
Not much. I was busy.
You should take rest.
Yes, I will rest today.
Now let's break it down.
First sentence. I am not feeling well.
Repeat. I am not feeling well.
Next, I have a headache.
Repeat. I have a headache.
Next, I feel tired.
Repeat. I feel tired.
Good job. Now continue.
Did you take medicine?
Repeat. Did you take medicine?
Answer. Yes, I took medicine.
Repeat. Yes, I took medicine.
Next important sentence. You should take rest.
Repeat. You should take rest.
Example. You are tired. You should take rest.
Now listen again.
Hi, how are you?
I am not feeling well.
What happened?
I have a headache.
Did you take medicine?
Yes, I took medicine.
You should take rest.
Okay, I will.
Great. You are improving. Part 14. Talking about food and health.
Now let's talk about food and health.
Food is very important for good health.
Sentence. I eat healthy food.
Repeat. I eat healthy food.
Example. I eat fruits.
Another example. I eat vegetables.
Repeat both. I eat fruits. I eat vegetables.
Next sentence. I avoid junk food.
Repeat. I avoid junk food.
Example. I avoid junk food at night.
Another sentence. I drink milk.
Repeat. I drink milk.
Example. I drink milk every day.
Now listen to a small conversation.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat?
I eat fruits and vegetables.
Do you eat junk food?
No, I avoid junk food.
Good job. Now you repeat later.
Part 15. Talking about daily routine for health. Now let's talk about daily routine.
Daily routine helps us stay healthy.
Sentence. I wake up early.
Repeat. I wake up early.
Example. I wake up at 6 a.m.
Next, I go for a walk.
Repeat. I go for a walk.
Example. I go for a walk in the morning.
Next. I sleep on time.
Repeat. I sleep on time.
Example. I sleep at 10 p.m.
Now listen to a daily routine talk.
What is your daily routine?
I wake up early.
Then what?
I go for a walk.
That's good.
Yes, and I sleep on time.
Very nice. Part 15. Giving advice.
Now let's learn how to give advice.
This is very useful.
Sentence, you should drink water.
Repeat. You should drink water.
Next, you should eat healthy food.
Repeat. You should eat healthy food.
Next, you should exercise.
Repeat. You should exercise.
Now a small dialogue.
I feel tired.
You should rest.
I have a cold.
You should drink warm water.
I feel weak.
You should eat healthy food.
Simple and useful. Wrap up.
Today, we learned many useful phrases.
Yes, let's quickly review.
I feel sick.
I have a headache.
I feel tired.
I have a fever.
I eat healthy food.
I exercise every day.
You did an amazing job today.
Keep practicing every day. Even small practice helps a lot.
And remember, don't be afraid to speak.
Yes, mistakes are okay. You are learning.
Before we go, here's a fun question for you.
What do you do when you feel sick?
Tell us in the comments. We would love to hear from you.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time. Keep learning and stay healthy.